everybody, my name is Miss Swahil and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. Yes, it's a YouTube channel where you can learn Papiamentu. The language Papiamentu is spoken on Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire. Are you ready to learn Papiamentu with me? Say yes, I'm ready. Now, can you say it in Papiamentu? Say, si, mita clap. Let's say it together. Si, mita clap. Hopi bong, which means really good. Good job. This is the color red. Yes, it's a red car. Now, let's say it in Papiamentu. Cora. Red is cora in Papiamentu. Can you say it together with me? Cora. Cora. Yes, good job. Hopi bong. Cora, cora. Red like an apple. Cora, cora. Red like a heart. This is blue. This is a blue ball. Can we say it in Papiamentu? Blow. Blow. Yes. Can you say it? Say blow. Hopi bong. Good job. Blow. Let's say it again. Blow. Yay! Blow, blow, blue like the sea. Blow, blow. Come sing with me. Ribbit, ribbit. This is yellow, a yellow frog. Can you say it in Papiamentu? Hill. Hill. Yellow is hill in Papiamentu. Can you say it again? Hill. Hopi bong. Hill. Hill, hill. Bright like the sun. Hill, hill. Learning is fun. You guys are doing amazing. This broccoli is green. Yes, green broccoli. And green is verde in Papiamentu. Verde. Can you say that with me? Say verde. Verde. Good job. Let's say that again. Say verde. Hopi bong. Say verde. Verde. Leaves on the tree. Verde. Verde. Come sing with me. These are orange. Orange gloves. Can we say it in Papiamentu? Oranho. Oranho. Yes. Orange is oranho in Papiamentu. Can you say it again? Say oranho. Oranho. Good job. Hopi bong. Oranho. Oranho, oranho. An orange is oranho. Oranho, oranho. Yes, an orange is oranho. This object is pink. Pink. Do you know what pink is in Papiamentu? It is rose. Rose. Can you say rose? Say it again. Rose. Good job. Rose. Rose, rose. Rose like a dress. Rose, rose. Rose like a flower. This shoe is black. Black is preto in Papiamentu. Can you say that with me? Say preto. Preto. Good job. Let's say that again. Preto. Yes, black is preto in Papiamentu. Preto, preto, preto like the night. Preto, 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 but it's all right. These sunglasses are white. White sunglasses. Do you know what white is in Papiamentu? It is blanco. Can you say blanco? Blanco. Yes, good job. Blanco. Let's say it again. Let's say it together. Say blanco, 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 the colors of the clouds. Blanco, blanco. Let's say it out loud. Blanco. Karahel, blåi, verde, orange, rose, preto y blanco. I can say my colors now in Papiamentu. Wow, wow, wow! Circle. A circle is círculo. Círculo. Say círculo. Shape of a circle is círculo in Papiamentu. Do you want to try to catch all the círculo now? All the circles. They're going to come falling down, but you and I, we need to try to catch just the circles. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, atole. There's another one. Oh, right here. No, that's not a círculo. There's that one. Oh. Where's the other one? Do you see a círculo? Do you see a circle? Where? Oh, here it is. Good job. This shape is a square. In Papiamentu, vierkant. Vierkant. A square is vierkant in Papiamentu. Can you say that again? Vierkant. Hobibong. Let's say it again. Vierkant. Vierkant. Good job. Let's try to catch only the vierkant. No other shape. Let's try to catch the squares. Are you ready? Stand up. Let's go. Let's catch them all. There's one. Oh, uma. No, that's not a vierkant. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Do you see another vierkant? Where is it? Unda eta. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Good job, guys. You guys were amazing. This shape is a rectangle. Rectangle in Papiamentu is rectángulo. Can you say rectángulo? It's a longer word, but I believe in you. You can say it in Papiamentu. Okay, rectángulo. Good job. A rectangle is rectángulo in Papiamentu. Okay, let's try to catch only the rectángulo shape. All the shapes are gonna come down, but let's catch rectángulo. Are you up? Are you ready? Let's go. There's one. Another one. Oh, rectángulo. Got you. Do you see another rectángulo? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Good job, guys. Yay! This shape is a triangle. Triangle in Papiamentu is triángulo. Can you say that? Triángulo. Good job. Let me hear you say it again. Triángulo. Triángulo. Good job. A triangle is triángulo in Papiamentu. Let's try to catch only the triangles when they come down. Are you ready? Are you standing? Say sí. Say yes. Okay, hopi bong. Let's go. Do you see a triangle? Do you see a triángulo? There's one. And there's one. There's one. Triángulo. Do you see another triángulo? Unda eta? Where is it? Unda eta? Ah! There it is! This shape is a heart. Can you make that with your hands? Like this. A heart? Good job. A heart is corazón. Corazón in Papiamentu. Corazón. Yes, good job. Can you say that again? Corazón. Let me hear you say it. Corazón. Can you make a corazón with your hands? Yay, good job. Okay, this is it, guys. Are you ready? We're gonna try to catch all the corazón, but you need to be ready to go. Are you standing up? Because they're gonna come down and we need to be ready to catch all the hearts. Tur e corazón nang. Let's go. There's one. Another one. Oh, there's one. Here's one. Do you see another corazón? Where is it? Unda eta? Show me. Azalaki. Here it is. I got it. Did you get it? Good job. Hopi bong. This shape is a star. Star is estrella in Papiamentu. Estrella. Can you say estrella? Let me hear you say estrella. Good job. Hopi bong. Estrella. A star is estrella in Papiamentu. Okay, who's ready? This is our last shape. Nos último forma. We are gonna catch the stars. Estrella nang. Let's get up, let's stand, and let's go. Do you see stars? Do you see estrella? Here's one. There's one. And there's one. Come on, catch the stars. Estrella. Do you see one more star? Where is it? Show me, mostrame. Unda eta? Azalagi. Here it is. I caught all the estrella. What is that sound? Wait a minute. Oh no, all the numbers are coming down. No! Oh. Whoa, did you see all those numbers fall down? You know why? It's because today we are going to learn our numbers in Papiamentu. Yes. Can you say number nang? Number nang. Our numbers. Nos number nang. Let me hear you say. Yes, number nang. Whoa, look at this, guys. I have a little baggie with some toys inside. Let's see what it is. Whoa, we got blocks. Guess what? We got all 10 of them. 10 blocks. We have to build them, right?
But first, we have to learn the numbers in order to build them. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 in Papiamentu is un. Un. Can you say un? Yes. Let's say it again together. Un. Whoa. This is one finger. Un dedo. Un. Good job. And now, let's learn number 2. Let's learn number 2. Uh-oh, here you go. 2 in Papiamentu is dos. Dos. Can you say that? Let me hear you say dos. Good job. Dos. Let me see. Dos finger. Dos dedo. Un, dos. Let's move on to number 3. Whoa! Number 3 is tres in Papiamentu. Tres. Can you say tres? Yes? Say tres. Good job! Whoa, you guys are amazing. Can you show me tres dedo? Sometimes you gotta hold, a few fingers down. Tres dedo. Un, dos, tres. Now, let's find number 4. Whoa! Number 4 is cuatro. Cuatro in Papiamentu. Can you say that with me? Say cuatro. Yes, you got it. Cuatro. And guess what? This is cuatro fingers. Un, dos, tres, cuatro. 4 fingers is cuatro dedo in Papiamentu. Next, we have to find number 5. 5. This is the number 5. In Papiamentu, you say cinco. Cinco. Can you say that? Cinco. Let's say it again. Cinco. Good job, guys. Guess what? This is cinco. Cinco fingers. 5 fingers is cinco dedo in Papiamentu. Un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Whoa! Okay, my question is, can you say it in Papiamentu? Can you count to 5 in Papiamentu? See? Say, sí. Okay, let's do it. Un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Yes! Good job! Okay, let's move on to the next ones from 6 to 10. Let me see. This is number 6. 6. 6 in Papiamentu is seis. Let's say that together. Seis. Good job. Wow. Let's do it with our fingers now. So this was 5. And this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Let's do it in Papiamentu because I know you can do it now. Un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Hoppy boy. Let's find 7. What? Number 7 is siete. Siete is number 7. Can you say siete? Let me hear you say siete. Yes. So now, this is siete. 7. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. Wait. Let's do it in Papiamentu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we gotta find 8. Number 8 is ocho in Papiamentu. Ocho. Can you say ocho? Ocho. Good job. And this is ocho fingers. Ocho dede. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you say that? Say ocho. Good job. Man, you guys are doing amazing. So great. Hopi bon. And number 9. This is number 9. In Papiamentu, we say nueve. Nueve. Yes. Nueve. Let me hear you say that. Nueve. Good job, guys. And this is nueve fingers. Nueve dede. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Can you do a drum roll? Drum roll. Because it's our last number. Number 10. Number 10 in Papiamentu is 10. 10. Can you say 10? Good. Wow. 10. Whoa. That was heavy. 10. Let me see. 10 dede. 10 fingers. Let me see. Are you doing it? Yeah, good job. Show me 10 fingers. Okay, now let's do it together in Papiamentu. Let's count from 1 to 10 in Papiamentu. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Wow! Today, you learned how to count from 1 to 10 in Papiamentu. Yes! Okay, now I need you to stand up because we're going to learn a song in full Papiamentu. But it's going to help us count even better. Are you ready? Yes? Let's stand up. Up. Wait. Why are you guys down here? Come up. Up, 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 up. Stand up. Okay, so you're standing up. You're good? Because today we're going to learn a dance and a song. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to do the dance and you have to repeat after me, okay? The song says, I can count. I can count. Do you want to see? Do you want to see? Okay, and then we count in Papiamentu. This song is gonna be full Papiamentu. So I'm really excited because you get to sing in Papiamentu. Okay? So the dance goes like this. Mi por conta. Mi por conta. Bo kewak. Bo kewak. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Okay, I need you to stand up though. I know you're sitting. Let's stand up. Ready? Mi por conta, bokewak, bokewak. Okay. And then we gotta use our fingers, okay? So this is how it goes. Mi por conta, mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Okay, that was a little bit slow, right? Can we do it faster? Can we do it faster? Let's go. Mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, can we do it even faster? Can we go faster? Let's do it. Okay. Mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Wait, did you say that you can do it faster? Faster? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay, let's try. Okay? But you gotta stand up. Are you standing up? Are you gonna dance? Yes? Bisa si. Mita kla. Yes, I'm ready. Mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was so much fun, guys. That was so much fun. I hope you can play this game with your mom. Sing this song all week long, okay? Push it, push it, push it, push it. My body in Papiamentu is mi culpa. Can you say that with me? Say mi culpa. Yes, mi culpa. And this is a mouth. Boca. In Papiamentu, mouth is boca. Can you show me your boca? Yes, boca. What's this? Ears. Ears in Papiamentu is orelha. Orelha. Can you say that? Say orelha. Good job. Show me your orelha. Right here and right here, we have dos orelha. 1, 2. Oh, what is this? Eyes. Eyes in Papiamentu is wowo. Wowo. I have dos wowo. 1, 2. Dos wowo. Can you say wowo? Good. Wowo is eyes in Papiamentu. What's this? That's your nose. Nose in Papiamentu is nanishi. Nanishi. Can you show me your nanishi? Let me see. Yes, nanishi. Good job. Ata aqui mi boca nanishi ribaje. Dos voa pa mi mira, oreia patinde, oreia patinde, Yes! I love this song so much. The song says, here is my mouth, and my nose is on top, 2 eyes to see, and ears to hear. Okay, what's this? Your thumb, right? This is your thumb. This, your thumb, is duim in Papiamentu. Can you say that? Dome. Dome. Let me hear you say dome. Good job. What's this? Your fingers, right? Show me your fingers. Your fingers are mi dedenang. Fingers is dedenang. When you talk about one finger, it's dede. Can you say dede? Good job. Okay, let's finish the song that we were singing before. Do you remember the first part? It goes like this. Atakimi boca na nishiribaje. Toswo pa mimira orea patende orea patende Now we're gonna add the other parts of the body. Are you ready? Okay, let's sing fingers and thumb. Atakimi dede, atakimi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede, turhuntuta dos time turhuntuta dos time So that song says, here's my finger, here's my thumb, and together it makes 10 fingers. And together it makes 2 thumbs. That's what the song says. I love this part. Okay, let's sing it again. Atakimi dede, atakimi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede, turhuntuta dos time turhuntuta dos time What's this? That is your tongue. Yes, your tongue is linga in Papiamentu. Can you say linga? Good. Okay, let's say it together. Linga. Good job. Whoa. What's this? That is your belly button. Your belly button is lombrishi in Papiamentu. That's a big word. Can we say it together? Say lombrishi. Yes. Good job. What's this? That is your belly. Your belly is barriga. Can you show me your barriga? Yes, barriga. Let's say it together. Barriga. Good. Okay. And what's this? That is your cabeza, your head. Your head in Papiamentu is cabeza. Can you say that with me? Say cabeza. Good job. Atakimi lenga, lombrishi y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curpe saquita, mi curpe saquita, Do you want to sing that again? Say atakimi lenga, lombrishi y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curpe saquita, mi curpe saquita. So in English, we're saying, here's my tongue, my belly button, and my belly. My head is on top, and this is my body. And this is my body. I'm so happy that you're singing in Papiamentu. So now we gotta put the whole song together, okay? Are you ready? And after that, we're gonna play a fun game because we're gonna catch all of the other body parts. Okay? So stick with me. We're having so much fun. Let's sing. Atakimi boca na nishiribaje. Toswo pa mimira orea patende Atakimi dede, atakimi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede, turhuntuta dos time turhuntuta dos time Atakimi lenga, Lombrici y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curveza quita, mi curveza quita, yay! This time we need to catch all the body parts, okay? If you see a body part, you gotta jump and catch it with your cabeza. Yes, with your head. So are you ready? They're gonna appear in squares and we have to run and jump and get them. Okay? And if you see them, you gotta see it in Papiamentu. Let's go. I believe that you can do this. Come on. Linga. Lombrici. Barriga. Cabeza. Linga. Time. Dede. Lombrici. Barriga. Cabeza. Whoa! Boca. Oreja. I think we caught all of the body parts. And I'm so happy that you participated today with me. Thank you all for watching and playing and having fun singing songs with me. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!